How to use YouTube TV free trial for NFL games. Step number 1, sign up for YouTube TV free trial. Visit the YouTube TV website. Click on the Try It Free button. Sign in with your Google account or create a new one. Enter your payment information to start the free trial. Note, you won't be charged until the trial period ends. Step number 2, confirm channel availability. During sign-up, review the channel lineup to ensure it includes networks broadcasting NFL games such as CBS, Fox, NBC, ESPN, and NFL Network. YouTube TV's base plan typically includes these channels. Step number 3, download the YouTube TV app. On your preferred device, navigate to the App Store, search for YouTube TV, and install the app. Step number 4, sign in and access NFL content. Open the YouTube TV app. Sign in using your Google account credentials. Navigate to the Live tab to view available channels. Select the channel broadcasting the NFL game you wish to watch. Step number 5, explore additional NFL content. Consider adding the Sports add-on for access to NFL Red Zone, which provides live coverage of every touchdown from every game on Sundays. Note, the Sports Plus add-on may come with an additional cost.